Two tiny angels, tiny angels.
Oh, do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Oh, do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Pretend to knock on a door during the first line.
Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Point to yourself as if you are the one who knows the Muffin Man.
He bakes delicious muffins every day. Every day, every day. He bakes delicious muffins every day and gives them all away.
Mimic the action of baking and handing out muffins.
If you see him on the street, on the street, on the street. If you see him on the street, give him a friendly wave.
Wave your hand as if greeting someone.
The Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. The Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Thank you very much for subscribing our channel. Please subscribe.